ua mahi o te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiārangi. The past few months have been incredibly difficult for us all, as we have once again had to manage our obligations here at work and likewise responsibilities at home. In this regard, I would like to thank each and every one of you for your efforts, energy and commitment to our wānanga within these incredibly trying times. Our whānau and tāmaki have borne much of the responsibility for keeping us all safe. And certainly the freedoms we enjoy here and in Te Taitokero have much to do with your efforts. So at this point, I would like to especially thank our tāmaki staff. Our thoughts are with you and your whānau. As an organisation, we know that our students choose to study at Awanuiārangi for a number of reasons. Most significantly is the fact that our staff provide the type of pastoral and cultural support not found elsewhere. This is a key part of who we are, which has been a primary driver of our success. Due to the multiple stresses and strains many of our whānau now face, our staff have often been required to support these students in ways not previously anticipated. I therefore want to sincerely thank you all for your willingness to support the well-being of our tauira. While conversations and simple manaakitanga can help, remember too that other support is available and that there are a range of services available to our tauira. If you feel that tauira require more dedicated support, please direct them to these options or assist them with accessing these. Often the first step towards accessing support is the most difficult. Some useful links are available on our website. I'm also aware that many of our staff are also finding the current environment challenging. Please ensure that you relay any concerns to your line manager so that we are able to provide the support needed. There are obviously changes underway in relation to mandated vaccines for those in the education sector as well. While this doesn't yet include tertiary providers, it may in the future. We understand that this will be a positive move forward for some, but also might be worrying for a number of our kaimahi and tauira. While the decision around this will be out of our hands, it is important to us that we support you all through these changes. So please do not hesitate to reach out if you need support or have pātai. Finally, I would like to once again thank you all for your commitment to our organisation and tauira and communities. Take care of each other and every one of you. Nō reira e te whānau, ko te tūmanako, kai te noho ora, kai te noho haumaru tātou, I raro I ona manaakitanga. Nō reira, noho ora mai, kia ora tātou.